Hello guys, good morning. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko sisimulan tong video na to, but just want like to show something crazy. Ito na naman, nahuhook na naman tayo sa isang bagay na hindi naman dapat, pero masaya. So today, I'm going to unbox this sa mga mahilig mag-shisha dyan. So there is a newest electronic shisha. Ito yung tinatawag nilang e-hookah na current flavor is black currant. So I don't know what's inside, and actually first time ko to, dinigala lang sa akin ng kaibigan ko or ng co-worker ko. So I'm gonna opening it now in front of you guys. So this is it. We'll see what's inside. So, ito. Ito yung kanyang parang pinaka-vape. Parang vape. Vape? Parang vape. Alright, vape. Okay. So, here it is. And I'm going to open this now. Wow, amazing. Ganda. Ganda guys. And the smell, it's really good. So dito yung kanyang bukasan ng airflow. Ito. Ano ba? Yan. Yung bukasan ng airflow niya. So, para halimbawa, i-open mo lang siyang ganyan. And then, here, yun. Ito yung kung saan ilalagay yung kanyang tawag dito. Gagamitin sa paghigop. Very easy to open. So, dalawa siya. Actually, may spare. So, if ever, hindi mo kailangan, ano ba siya? Ganyan. Hindi. Okay. So, yun. So, ito, ipapasok mo lang to sa loob. Baliktad. Sorry. Ipapasok mo lang to sa loob. Then, just like that, you now have the electronic shisha. Ang tatak niya is Waker. And then, flavor is also yung black currant flavor. So now we'll try this one now. Let's see. Very nice. Sa mga mahilig mag-shisha at sa mga gusto yung makapal na usok, try nyo to guys. This one is 5,000 puffs. 5,000 puff. So according here, it's like 10 hours ang tinatagal ng battery niya. So mayroon din siyang nicotine, which is 20 ml, 2 milligram mg. So yung total capacity niya sa loob is 20 ml. Now I don't know how long will it last for me, kasi based on my cigarette usage, I can say na I'm quite a smoker. So anyway, this is it guys. I'm just showing it to you. The latest electronic hookah or e-hookah na tinatawag nila. This is like a smaller version of shisha. Yung madalas, kung hindi kayo familiar sa shisha, yung shisha is like yung common dito sa Saudi Arabia na ginagamit madalas ng mga Saudi bilang libangan. Like pagtatambay sila or kwentuhan. So they're having a hookah. Tawag nila doon hookah, which is yung shisha. Anyway guys, hanggang dito lang to actually yung video na to, kasi I just wanted to unbox this one. Bye guys.